bestie, welcome to my channel. I'll be doing my leopard print saving challenges today. Hope it all is well with you. If you're new to my page, welcome. So glad that you're here. If you've been here before, welcome back. Alright, so with my leopard challenges right now, I only have 3 saving challenges that I'm working on, and they are made by Simply Two Plans. I got them when she had the membership on Ko-Fi. She no longer has the membership, but I think she does have some freebies on Ko-Fi, but she also has a website. And I have her information in the description. Alright, so let me go ahead and pull these challenges out. And also, I do have some leopard print saving challenges on my website. Not my website, I mean my Ko-Fi shop, which are all freebies if you're interested in that. Alright, so I'm trying to decide, should I do my 3-sided dice today with this? Alright, so I got my 3-sided dice. And now let's go ahead and get the money that I budgeted for to go towards the challenges for the leopard challenges for this week. Alright, let's go ahead and count this up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Alright, so it's not a lot. I think a lot of people in the community likes to see when people catch stuff hundreds and thousands of dollars. But just know, you don't have to have that amount to cash stuff. If you have like just $12 left after paying your bills, even just $5, even $1, save it. Alright? So, cause once you consistently save, even if it's that $1 or $5, it adds up. And it might come in handy later. 10, 11, 2. Alright, so I got rolled on 1. Alright, let's roll the dice again. This time I rolled a 1 again. Hopefully I rolled a 3. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. I got 3.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Let's roll again. Alright, so I have a couple more dollars left and then I'll be finished. Okay. Alright. So, at least all 3 challenges will get something today. Alright, let's see how much I save per challenge and see if I complete any of them today. Alright, so I saved $4 for this one. Alright, let's see. $12? I saved $4. Alright, let's see. Let's see how far I can go with this one. Oh, it's got it all upside down. Let me get my dot marker. So I definitely won't be finishing this one. Great job. You did it. Alright, let's go ahead and mark these. Alright, so I still have a little ways to go for this one. Not sure if I'll finish it this month. But if not, it's okay because I'll just carry it forward into February if I need to. Alright, so let me go ahead and place this back into the pouch. Well, the cash envelope. Alright, and let's see if I finish the next challenge. Because I think one of the leopard challenges I'm almost finished with. Alright, so I ran out of storage for this challenge here. Let's see how much I saved for to complete this challenge altogether. And I did have money left over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 17. So I saved $17 for this challenge. Let me count the icons up to make sure it's supposed to be 17. Yep, it's $17. So I completed this challenge. I think ever since they updated my phone. I've been having a problem with storage, and I haven't had storage problems with my phone in forever. So this is just blowing me, but I think that's what it is. And I've been deleting stuff off the phone. It doesn't even seem like it's been helping. So let me go ahead and make a note on this that I completed, because I think I don't have my safe with me at the moment to place it in the safe. So I'm going to just place it back into the pouch. But having a note on here will remind me that I've completed the challenge. And the money that I had left over, the $2 from this challenge here, I'm gonna phone. Cheers. I might add it to the next one. Cheers. Cheers. Boop. Cheers. Alright, so I'm just gonna place the challenge right here since I completed. Alright, so now I just have to see how much I saved with my last challenge. Let me move this bowl.
Hi, Nana.
Hey, baby. I love you. Alright. Okay, I saved $5 for this one here. And let's go ahead and mark this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I do have this extra $2 here. Alright. So I'm halfway through with this challenge. And that's basically it today, bestie. So thank you so much for joining me with today's cash stuffing. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and engage with me in the comments and tap the thumbs up. Have a great day, bestie. Toodles.